Alright, what's up, guys? So, hopefully, the stream will work just fine. Having some Wi Fi connection issues tonight, not sure why. So, hopefully, it's working just fine. We're gonna double check everything before we get started. So, hopefully, it's working just fine. We're gonna double check everything. Looks like it is on my end because I can pull it up over here, so that's a plus. They need Christmas backgrounds. If you see like little green dots and like floating things moving here on the screen, it's the laser light show that's in my yard. So don't freak out. That's what I did the other day. Hope everybody had a great weekend. If everybody could please just let me know if the stream's working on your end. If we're good. My Discord is not working. I'm not sure if that's just me or if it's a Discord application issue right now. I'm gonna try to open it again. But I cannot send the link out in Discord, so that sucks. See if I can do it on mobile though. Maybe that'll work. So if everybody could please just like and retweet the stream. I think I can do it from my phone. Let's see if Discord pulls up one. Okay, it's working so far on my phone. So if everybody could please just like and retweet the stream, let everyone know we live. And then at the end of all this, gonna be doing something a little fun and new. I'm gonna have a trivia game live, similar to the ones that we kind of do on Spaces now. It's just ones that I've created that is going to be essentially like a review of what I'm going to talk about here on the live. So if you pay attention, you can get some questions right. Let me see if Canva's working because that wasn't working. Let's see if it's going to work now. Now I can build the watch list on here. Nope. Won't load. So strange. Like some of my stuff will load and some of my stuff will not. TradingView is working. It's kind of slow, but Restream is working. But Discord will not pull up, and neither will my Canva to build the watch list. Let me know in the comments if it's working good. Or in the Discord if it's pulling up for you there. It works on my phone, but it will not work on my laptop. I'm not sure why. Let's go, Scott. Appreciate you. I'm liking this Restream Studio much better than my normal stuff. So, what's up, Rick James Bit? What's up, Emperador? Had a link on Discord of Spaces. Sweet. Oh, Honey, are you doing well? Honey is doing very well. See if TradingView works. Slowly but surely. Maybe. Maybe not. But Honeywell, yes. Yes, sir. Oops, actually I clicked on Webull there. Now it's really not going to load TradingView because I got all this shit going at the same time. Oh, it loaded Webull. Look at that. Honeywell swung the calls, bought them over here, and then had a nice run on Friday. Looking for this 210 break to send it to 212. After that, then 215, 216. So. Oh no. Fire pit's about to go out of fire. I'm gonna lose my light. Raggy. It's getting dimmer as we speak. No, not my fire. I can turn my brightness up on my computer. Might help a little bit. Alright, so same three: SPY, QQQ, IWM. Alright. So I'm not sure how TradingView is going to respond. Okay. SPY still has a little bit of a gap to fill, but it's still going to be the 570 psych level. For upside, it looks like 572 up to 572.40. So that's what I'm going to say there. And that was from the puts on Friday. Fucking nailed the top on live, just like this on X. Took the puts right up here, scaled straight into it. It was fun. I'll make it white. I mean, it's right below a big zone at 572. I'll just wait for it to pop a little bit higher. I mean, 570 psych levels down there. 569.50 maybe for like extra kind of confirmation. Yeah, because that's what I did with the other one. I let it run up a little bit. Yeah, I'm just going to say 5. Honestly, 569.60. If it breaks below that and holds underneath that, which is underneath the 570 psych level, then I think it can get pretty ugly. I honestly think this level is going to be more important, and it kind of puts it directly in the middle of the range that I have here. So, can mark right there. Let me check. Resistance here. My support will be here. So, I am pretty dark. Yeah. We need some light. Fuck no, that's like stupid bright. See if that helps anything. I'll ride your wave. So, 572.40 to 572.80. That's going to be my resistance. My support's going to be 570 down to 569.6 there for SPY. So same as always. We'll look initially to go long when this is tested and then take it back up here, and then vice versa for the resistance. When it comes up here, then take it lower. The only way I will go long when something is invalidated will be if it breaks through it, does the SR flip, and then it's going to go up to these levels. That would be kind of scenario 1 and scenario 2 for upside and downside. There's an MMK zone right down here too. I'll just target this zone here. It's kind of the two scenarios that I'm looking here on SPY. So just watch those areas. Like I said, 572.8, 572.4, and then 570 and 569.6. Download that. Is it brighter? No, it's not?
No.
Damn, son. My fire is going out. Not my fire.
I'll be quick.
If I can like stand it up or something. Damn, Quay. Bright as fuck. That's the lowest setting?
Yeah.
Damn. The fuck, Keisha? Bright as hell. I don't want it like directly on me like that. Shit. That'd be bright as heck. Kind of see the lasers a little bit. Kind of helps though a little bit. Alright, that's for SPY. Let's go to QQQ. We got 490 psych level right above. Yeah, you got the MMK zone right there. You got 485.50. I like right here. MMK zones help. So for QQQ, 490.7 down the 490 psych level. That'll be my resistance zone. $484.5 down to 483.85 will be my support. Breaks above the 490.7. I'm going to target 492. Breaks underneath 483.84. Going to target down to 482. Screenshot that. IWM. Call slash put spread for election night. Neither. Burn a candle. Yeah, I know I need to. Alright, got 217 marked right there, but it's like 270. Look at that level. That's like almost damn near perfect. I mean, both of those are kind of like far out of the way. Where's 220 psych level? I don't know. I kind of want to be patient for that 217 and then be extra patient for that 222. I just feel like that's a little bit high. gets above 221, it can go to 222 as target. It's just like right above it right now. But the MMK zone is going to change back to this green zone right here on the next trading day, I believe. Which means if it breaks and holds above that, then it will go higher. The MMK zone is going to go down here closer to 217. If it breaks and holds below that, go down to 215. Yeah, I got the level right there. Yeah, I like how that 221 actually looks a little bit. We'll do 221. Initially look to go short off of that. Breaks and holds above 221, then just target the dollar psych levels up 222, 223. Look to go long up 217, double bottom support. Underneath 217, target $2 move downside to 215 most likely. Screenshot that. Yeah. Yep. Futures RTY is down currently. All right, next is Tesla. Okay, so keep in mind, I said we're going to do the trivia at the end of this. So some of the things I'm going to be reviewing are going to be on the trivia game at the end of this, if I can get it to work. Because like half my shit's loading right now and the other half is not. So we'll see if it will. Tesla. What I'm watching on Tesla is from around the 245 down to the 242 area to potentially go long. I'll be looking at January and March 2025 calls on Tesla when it gets to that 242, 245 area. So it's going to be around the daily 21 EMA. And if you notice, if it loses the daily 21 EMA, that previous candle low right there, it's 242.65. So if it loses 242 cycle level and the daily 21 EMA, there's a huge gap to fill downside the 219. So can be a great spot for buyers to step in to hold the daily 21 and to keep it from going down into the gap. The gap will act as support there. So I'm going to look to go long. Big resistance is 265. It's always been 265 for me. It did wake up and go to like 270 and came straight back down. So I'm going to watch. Is that two? I mean, that's a big zone, but I mean, this is based on a larger time frame. So the 260 to 265, and then just target the previous highs, right? So it's going to be around 270, and then that previous high is 273.5. So if it gets underneath 242, again, there's that huge gap fill downside. So we'll see. We're going to look to initially go long Tesla here. Let me actually get rid of this. All this old mumbo jumbo. So you have the gap to fill here on Tesla. So I'm going to look to go long there. Download that. Just realized I still had M's message up there that said, "Honey, are you doing well?" Yes, Honeywell, that is coming. We're going to talk about that. Actually, we're going to talk about that. We'll do Google first. So Google had a massive rip and just came straight back down. It filled that gap almost perfectly. Once it filled the gap, it hit the daily 9 EMA, bounced back up, and then closed above the daily 9 EMA and that previous gap. So this area right here on Google is a very critical area, as you can tell with the price action every time this area is tested. Forgot to mark this guy. Right? Every time this area right here is tested. So once it finally broke out of it, this is now a break and retest of that area. So I like Google to stay above this 169 area down to 166.3. Give myself a little wiggle room down to the 21 EMA. If it breaks underneath that, that would be my stop. But looking at calls here on Google, take it back up to 174, 175 area. That'll be my target. Whoopsies. So that is what I'm currently watching on Google. We got a potential inverse head and shoulders. Kind of looks like setting up here. Right, you got the left shoulder there. You got the head there. And then got the right shoulder here. So potential inverse head and shoulders, breakout retest. So I like it. Here's the School of Gains account price is like a margin account or just the account with the amount in it. It's a funded account for like futures, like a prop firm, like Apex, Top Step. I believe they're using Elite Capital for that with all the accounts that they're giving away. So they paid for the funded account, and then upon graduation, you get handed access to that funded account. And then there's rules that come along with using those accounts from the prop firm. Usually there's a drawdown. I believe it's 100K accounts, which means the drawdown, I believe, on those is $3,000. And then profit is usually double that. It's like 6. So you'll have the drawdown rules where you can't lose, more than $3,000 of the account. And then once you get up to $6,000 profit, then you can start withdrawing the profits from that point with that funded account. So that is what it will be for. Tesla, Google. There's another one. I forgot what it was. I want to say it was NVIDIA, but I'm not sure. Anyways, we're going to look at Honeywell. So I am in Honeywell calls, obviously. I've been talking about it for a week straight. We got calls down here, right? The purple line is the 200 EMA. If you watched any of my recap videos from this previous week, I've been talking about two names, which is Honeywell and Coca-Cola. So Honeywell is now popping up, and it hit my first target upside almost to the penny and it's the daily 9 EMA, obviously. So now I want it to break the daily 21 EMA, which is going to be just above the 210 psych level. Once it does that, get the pop up to 212 with my like kind of big target ish is going to be 213 to 215. And I'm in January or December 20th calls and March 2025 calls. So might add another position on Honeywell if it does a nice break and retest, maybe an SR flip of the 210 area. I'll add another position at that time. So we got time. Those calls are already fucking printing for December. I'm already out majority of those. I'm just in runners now for the 210, 212 break to then exit those at 215 and then just be scaling out of the March 2025 calls above 215 to the previous highs of 220 and then 223. So that is Honeywell, still in that, looking to potentially add more into that. And same thing with this name, Coca-Cola. Look at that daily chart. It's a flush, but it's not the daily that I've been watching. Again, if you've watched any of my recaps that I've been doing and talking about, I talked about Coca-Cola a few days ago, ticker KO, and it had an evening star on the monthly time frame, which is a bearish candlestick pattern indicating a potential reversal. You want to see that at the top of a strong uptrend, obviously for risk to reward to then come back here to the downside. So this is what it looks like. So right here, see all these green candles, right? Not a single freaking red candle in sight all the way up here. Let me hide the MMK zones. So now at the top of an uptrend, when you see a big body green candle on the left, you say a neutral to bearish candle in the middle. In this case, it is a red doji candle. And then on the right side, you have a matching big body red candle to match your big body green candle on the other side. And when you see that 3 candlestick setup, the evening star at the top of an uptrend, this can indicate a reversal. So far, it is underneath the monthly 9 EMA, which is good because now I'm going to target the 21. If you're in the Discord with me, then you know the 2 positions that currently in at this time, which is the 65 puts and the 62.5s. The 65 puts are up 90% right now. They went briefly in the money right before the close on Friday, dropped down to 64.89, and then just got bought straight back and closed at $65 and a penny. So they briefly went in the money for 90%. The 62.5 puts, those like wicked up to 100%, and those are sitting at 95%, I believe. So I think I got my phone using the flashlight. Our entry was $40 per contract gain. They're at 78 right now. So just shy of that 100% on that one as well. So 65s are in the money. It's cool. I've sold majority now and just have runners and want to target the 21 EMA, which is at 63 bucks. So hopefully just gets down to 63 or wicks below and goes down to 62.5, which is going to be the high, the high of that candle and the low of that candle almost perfectly. It's right about there. So that's going to be my next target area. Potentially same thing with, that's actually full target for this. So I'm actually potentially looking to add more into KO. Might add some more December calls, December puts. See if we can get another move down on KO. So we have SPY, QQQ, IWM, Tesla, Google, Honeywell, KO. I believe the last one was NVIDIA. You gonna put them in?
Yeah.
Cool. I want to say it's NVIDIA. I could be completely wrong. I looked at AMD's chart earlier, and what a freaking bloodbath that thing was. How do you find these like KO? Believe it or not, I did not find this chart on KO. The great thing about my freaking Discord is I have a channel where I have my members are able to share their own charts and trade ideas. One of my members in there posted the chart of KO and said there's a potential evening star. And he let us know. And I was like, hell yeah. Everybody knows that is my favorite bearish candlestick pattern to trade of all time. And 9 times out of 10, I always will fucking hit that trade, especially if it's at the top of an uptrend. So right when I saw the post, I commented back. I said, hell yeah, I'm getting puts. I waited for a good opportunity on the chart, and alerted 2 trades entries on KO. So it was actually based off of one of my premium Discord members posting that chart in the members charts channel. So shout out to the squad. I don't think it was NVIDIA. What a crucial spot NVIDIA's at, though. This week is going to be wild. That is what I'm going to watch on NVIDIA, though. Because if NVIDIA breaks underneath that trend line, I can get a nice move down. Initially, we'll look to go long off of this to take it back upside, but if it breaks underneath right here, come down to, what's that, 125? Right there. That would be target. Hit that next trend line. So not looking to go long on NVIDIA just yet. If it pulls down to 130, it looks to be that's where that bottom, yeah, that's where that lines up at. If it pulls back down to 130, then potentially look to go long there. It is going to be that first trend line break, so it's going to be a little bit riskier because it will just pop up, reject the inner side of the trend line like $3 or $4 higher, and then come back down. Be worth it for a potential scalp. But underneath 130, look for it to kind of do some kind of SR flip and confirm underneath that 130. Take it down to the next trend line here on the daily, which is going to line up around that 125 area. NVIDIA's at 139. Yeah, probably in Robinhood after hours, which, believe it or not, is not 100% accurate. So yeah, it's at 139, so it's somewhere up here. So see where it opens up tomorrow. We've got 12.5 hours. Yes, it has been included. It is joining the Dow. FSLR, that is for my Discord only. I am in FSLR currently. See if I can get, it's going to get dark here in a second. Because I can't post these charts or anything yet. Not until the Discord freaking app decides to start working again. So, all right, we got SPY, QQQ, IWM, Tesla, NVIDIA, Google, Honeywell, KO. 8 different fucking charts. Do you expect stocks to rise and VIX to fall and VIX rise this week? I got no idea. No idea. ENPH, not my type of stock to trade. Neither is FSLR, but I just saw something there on the chart that I liked to enter into a swing position the other day, or on Friday actually. But yeah, I got no idea what's going to happen this week. You got the election news and everything going on, so just going to see how the market reacts to it, and then I will react to how the market's reacting. That's my job as a day trader. So, all right, I told you at the end of all this, we're going to do something different. We're going to play a game. We're going to do a trivia game. So if you've been on Spaces with Jordan, Nods, Emp, myself, Paper, sometimes we run these trivia games. So if you play the trivia games, then you generate XP. By generating XP, you get put in to giveaways. So essentially, I'm going to post this link here in just a second, and then you just connect it to your X account. It'll pop up, and then it just tracks your points whenever you play the game, whenever you get some XP. So I'm going to be doing these on Sundays, and I'm also going to be doing these on Fridays. And then we'll see where it is at the end of the month. And then see if people can win some prizes. So that'll be fun. Let's see. Let's see if it lets me do it. Doesn't look like I can do it on a live stream. I think I can only do it on a Spaces. Can I open up a separate Spaces outside my live stream? Let's see. Because I might be able to do that from my phone. We'll see if that can work. If it doesn't work, then we're fucked. Nope, we're fucked. Actually, we're not fucked. I'm gonna try it though. Let's see if it works. I'm gonna put it in the comment section. Boom, 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 boom. If it works. If it works. Thoughts on HIMS earning? The stock is HIMS, so it's only going to go up. It's got to get up. Can you post as a link in messages? Yes, I can do that as well. I think I have to be on a Spaces. I don't think you can do it on live stream. Very, very unfortunate. So you try again. Because I think I can open up. I'm going to try to open up a Spaces on my phone. and then send that. I want everybody to play the game and get some XP, though. We can do some giveaways on some stuff. Let's see. Oh, I'm logged in already over here. Let's go. A linked account. It's got it going. Dashboard. Nope. Nope. I gotta let them know. Cannot do a live stream. Can only work on spaces. So we're gonna see if we can start a space. I start a space. You don't have to join the space. Well, maybe you do. Maybe not. I'm just using it to post the link. Oh, look, it worked. Game room link. Copied to clipboard. Ooh, give me 1 second, guys. I think I've freaking figured it out. So now, let's see. Let's see if I can do both these things at once. Oh, I think I can do both at once. That's insane. Oh, look. Do you see the link? Do you see the link in the chat? Click on that link, baby. I think we're working. I think we're cooking. I'm hosting a live stream in a space at the same damn time. That's funny. See if this shit works. Let me know if that link works. If you click on the link, does it take you to the trivia room? Because if it does, then fantastic. I'm about to start it up. So make sure you get in to the trivia room. Let me know if it's working, guys. I'm gonna send in the Discord too. You're in the trivia room. Let's run it real quick. Ready? You ready? We're gonna run it. Can you guys find it? Did you guys find the link? Bob said no. I was about to start it. You should see this link here on the screen. Look on my screen, the bottom left corner. If you go to the messages here in the chat, you should see it. If you're in the Discord, you should see it. You should be able to go to the comment section and see it. You should be able to go to my spaces and see it. I have opened up the separate room with my spaces in it, and I posted at the top. That link's in there. It's in the comment section on here. Everybody should be able to see it. I want to try this thing out. All right, give me a thumbs up if it's working and you're in the trivia room. Give me a thumbs down if you're not in the trivia room. questions aren't that hard. It's just about some of the things that I just talked about here on the live stream. So that's all it is. Got it? Sweet. I'm going to start it. Okay. I want to see if it's going to work, how well it's going to work. And I'm launching it. All right. Starting in 3, 2, 1. There's 3 minutes on this timer. So if you don't get in right away, and it's not about speed, it's just about getting the questions right. So all you gotta do is click on the link, okay, and then connect your X account, play the questions, try and get as many as you can right. It's all going to be about trading. Collect XP and win prizes. Everybody should see the link. Everybody should see the link. I'll put it in the Discord too. Oh, I can put it in the free chat too. I didn't think about that. Bow, chicka, bow, bow. I put the link in here again. All right, come on, guys. There's almost 1,000 people watching this. All you have to do, it's free. Just answer the questions about trading. Try to get as many as you can right. Get points and get free shit. It's fun. I make the questions, by the way, for this one. All right, 1 minute left to get in on the trivia game. I want to see who gets the most questions right. Let's see who gets the most questions right. 35 seconds. Number 1 is A. Number 2 is B. No, I'm just kidding. In 15, 14, I'm going to let them know that you cannot do it while on a live stream. It has to be a spaces to like post it. Oh, we got to get more people playing than that. If we're going to give shit away, we got to get a lot more people playing than that. All right, nice job, guys, for the ones that played it. Great job. Great job. All right, don't forget about the charts that we went over: SPY, QQQ, IWM, NVIDIA, Google, Tesla, which that was one of the questions in there. 242, 245. That's where I'm looking to get calls. That was the answer to that one. KO, monthly bearish reversal, which is the evening star candlestick pattern. That was also on the trivia one. Damn it, timed out. All good. And Honeywell. So that's it for me, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow morning. I'll be on Wolf Financial Spaces tomorrow. Oh, really? It could be something on my end too. I'm not sure. But apparently you can't do it on the live stream. And I have the live stream going and a separate Spaces going on the same account. So I'm going to let them know that you can't do it on a live stream, only on Spaces. So we'll maybe try again tomorrow or on Friday stream as well. But or I'm doing probably do it in the premium Discord if I can, Monday through Thursday. So. But I'm a co-host tomorrow morning on Wolf Financial Spaces, so I'll be there for the first hour or two in the morning, and then for my guys, obviously I'll be live in the Discord trading tomorrow morning, and all this week. So let's have a great week of trading. 1,000 people in here. Appreciate